Welcome to Rehab Snacks, bite-sized rehab exercises to support your recovery after breast cancer. Today's session is just 7 minutes and we're focusing on scapular control and shoulder strength. If you're doing this rehab as a repeat, you can jump ahead to the beginning of the session. There's 4 exercises and we'll do 45 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest, and repeat this for 2 rounds. In terms of equipment, you'll need a resistance band. I've put the links to 2 of my favorites in the description below. Check with your medical team if you're doing this before 6 weeks post-surgery to see if this is appropriate for you. Here's a quick review of the exercises. For diagonal pull-aparts, hold a resistance band in front of you with both hands. With straight arms, pull your arms out diagonally to the side, stretching the band as you squeeze between your shoulder blades. This is where you should feel it. Return each time to the center with control and then alternate sides. Your shoulders may creep up, so stay mindful in keeping your shoulders down and engaged. With shoulder outward rotations, hold a resistance band at your side. One arm stays still to anchor the band while the other rotates outward. Keep your moving arm bent to 90 degrees at the elbow. Sometimes your elbow can migrate out from your side, so try to keep it tucked close by your side. Also watch the position of your shoulder that can be rounded forward, so you want to try to keep that anchored back. This movement helps to strengthen the muscles on the back of the shoulder and rotator cuff. Do one arm for the full time period and then switch sides for the next time interval. For overhead band pull-aparts, hold a resistance band overhead with both hands. With straight arms, pull the band down and apart so it comes towards your upper chest, or behind your head if that feels more comfortable. Think of your arms forming a wide T shape at the bottom of the movement. The goal is to use the back of the shoulders and lat muscles, which run along your sides, to control the motion, not just your arms. Avoid shrugging up as you pull and keep your shoulders engaged down. Here we go with the first round. That's your rehab snack for today. Short and sweet, but powerful for your recovery. If you're looking for longer videos, check out the playlist for strength training follow-along videos.